VELOCIRAPTOR is not a giant. It does not rule its world through size or raw power. Yet, in the shadows of the prehistoric landscape, it survives. And that is its greatest strength. Barely 2 meters in length, VELOCIRAPTOR is built for efficiency. Its body is light, eats, legs long, each movement precise and economical. This is not a predator designed to overpower, but one evolved to outthink and outmaneuver. On each hind foot lies its most distinctive weapon, a sharply curved claw, not meant to slash wildly, but to grip, anchor, and wound in moments that last only seconds. The attack is brief. Measur. Contrary to popular imagination, VELOCIRAPTOR is neither a lone assassin nor a perfectly coordinated pack hunter. Its behavior is adaptable, sometimes solitary, sometimes exploiting the presence of others, not to dominate, but to create distraction and opportunity. When facing prey larger than itself, VELOCIRAPTOR does not rush forward. It waits, tests, observes. If the risk outweighs the reward, it withdraws, because survival here is worth far more than victory. Fine feathers cover its body, a reminder that this dinosaur is closer to modern birds than to cold, lumbering reptiles. Its brain, large for its size, allows it to respond quickly to changing conditions, reading movement and reacting in an instant.